Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if you need to join my my Telegram group, I give link group link in a description box. Please join it. Let's start our job update. Our first job is from Creative Hands HR is hiring for PHP, Android, iOS and Python developer. And location is Kolkata, Hyderabad and Chennai also. There are a total one opening for each location, and this is your job description. If you are completed your graduation in 2023, uh, 2023, you are eligible for applying for this job. And the qualification need like BE, BTech, IT, CSE, BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc, CS students are eligible for that. You must knowledge of PHP, Android, Python, and and any of these one. Uh, and uh, and role is software development, industry is IT service and consulting, department is engineering and software. And then how to apply this job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is from High Radius. High Radius is hiring for software engineer for Bhubaneswar location. And experience need here 0 to 5 year of experience need here, and salary is not disclosed here. According to your experience, salary are varied. Okay, this is your job description. This is this is for technical job role, and this is the job summary. Means data means high radius is hiring for data analytics is a data professional. This is your responsibility. Analyze, organize the raw data for this, and this is your technical skill need. You have technical expertise and with data model segmentation techniques, hands on experience, SQL, Snowfall, database design and query optimization, great numerical and analytical skill need. And this and location is Bhubaneswar. Role is data warehouse developer, industry is financial service, and department is engineering and software QA. This is full-time opportunity for you, and the role is DBA and data warehousing. Qualification need, if you completed any graduation, you are eligible for that. Then how to apply this job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is from leadsquared. Leadsquared is hiring for data scientist for Bangalore location, and experience needed 2 to 3 years of experience need here. This is about leadsquared. This is about your roles and responsibility here. This is your responsibility. Collaborate with product engineering team and all. You must knowledge of LLM, extract and analyze text data, and this is your skill set required. Computer science, mathematics, machine learning, and NLP domain. Experience need 2 year plus of experience need here. Ability to this, and then how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. One more job is from Leader Squad. Leader Squad is hiring for market research intern, and experience here zero point 0.5 month to 1 year of 1 year of experience need here. Location is Bangalore again. This is about lead squad, and this is about roles, and this is required a skill. And then how to apply this job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our our next job is from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for software engineer for 2024 graduates only. This is your job description, and this is your summary about. This is meet our team and it one did here. Your day-to-day work here, and this is about additional job description. Then how to apply the job? You have You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from PayPal again. PayPal is hiring for data analyst 1 for 2024 graduate position and location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is your job description summary and this is all about PayPal uh, and your job summary, the required and responsibility. Then how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from KPMG. KPMG is hiring for software engineer for Java and location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. KPMG is a trading company. This is about KPMG and this is about overview of KPMG and your responsibility and skill required like solid hands software development in core Java, experience on a Spring RESTful API, good knowledge in SQL. You must knowledge of Linux also. You have you have you have much knowledge of SDLC and this is added advantage certification on Java, exposure of big data tech stack, exposure on data structure, financial service domain knowledge will be plus point for you. Qualification need BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and any graduation role. Then how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone and please subscribe this channel and support me.